Never in my life did I think I would say that lace was too thin, but honey, the lace on this one, girl. It may look alright right now, but honey, I had to put in the work to get this to look like this. You keep on your boat, you and I just spending my mode. See, figure out you remain afloat. Cities keep burning, the smoke fills our throats.
Wading in the water, I've been drifting out to sea. You see my vibrancy's been alive within me, floating in the day. But highs inside these eyes, I seem to glisten while they wait. Losing sleep as this reality is taking over me. And you must be mistaken if you think you're truly free.
My eyes wide open, you're so close. You try to lie inside, it shows. Ain't got no pride, you're denying it though. You hide behind the wall of your foes. All of your clothes and all of your hoes. They play their role, they're selling their soul. They pay their toll as they get in control. Getting exposed and letting it show. Setting up failure, watching it grow. I know I can see your eyes closed, cause my eyes be wide open and now everyone knows. Picking up the pieces, releases the piece that you've been told. Holding on to breathe, you proceed to believe you're free, suppose. I can hear the weeds that's just sneaking and seeking to dispose. I smell it inside of your clothes, repelling the scent from my nose. Your friends are foes and you ain't living in reality. No originality, where's your personality? You're a whole disparity, a joke from the hilarity. My eyes wide open, you're so close. You try to lie inside, it shows. Ain't got no pride, you're denying it though.
Hey guys, and welcome back to Half Baked Hair Reviews. I'm Angelique. If you're returning, as always, thank you so much for tuning in. And if you're new to this channel, just make sure you smash that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you can be notified when I upload new videos weekly. So today I'm coming to you guys with a new wig. This one is from the Freetress collection. I'm wearing it in the style HDL04 and the color number 2. And can we just jump into the specs real quick? So this one is from the HD Illusion Lace collection. You do get your 2 combs in the front, your 1 comb in the back, your adjustable straps, as well as an elastic band. What I do like about the combs in the front on this unit are they do come closer to ear to ear versus being like in this vicinity. I feel like it makes it fit a little bit more secure with me. The cap size on this unit is definitely coming off small, medium, and big head friendly. I had to adjust the straps on this bad boy all the way, and luckily my head's not swimming in or anything. It's fitting very flush to my head, so I feel like the cap construction on this one is very nice. This unit is also heat safe up to 400 degrees. It's definitely more along the lines of a natural density. If I had to guess, I want to say it's definitely around the realm of 150%. The texture on this is, it's like a very light, soft yaki, and I definitely did experience a good amount of tangling and shedding with this honey. I'm not really happy with the amount of tangling and shedding that I'm getting. Definitely more shedding than tingling, so keep that in mind as well. The length comes just below my boobs, and I am 5'3" for reference. You do get 13x6 parting with that HD lace. And the lace on this, I feel like, is probably the thinnest lace I've ever had in my life. I initially tried to do this whole review and styling while wearing my wig grip band and my wig cap, and that line of demarcation was so serious because the lace is so thin you could literally see like straight through to the scalp. So I took off the wig grip band, still wasn't working with just the wig cap, so I had to also take off the wig cap. So girl, I got nothing on under here, and I feel like that was the only way that I could make it look somewhat decent. Also, I actually had to go in with a little mascara to darken up some of these spaces, because if you'll notice initially, I feel like it still could use some more. I think they went in and plucked it way too much. Like, it looked like I was wearing a cap. Like, even now it kind of looks like I'm wearing a cap, and I'm not. And I also did go in and spray the lace with my Ebin tinted lace spray in the skin tone dark brown. So let me just jump into the cons and the pros of this unit. My number one con 100% is going to be the lace. I don't know what's going on with this. I feel like the only way to make it look even more natural would be to wear it with nothing underneath. I don't like the fact that I had to take it off to make it look more realistic, because like I said, the lace is so thin you could see right through, and it was just looking like a crazy line of demarcation. Another con that I did have was the tangling and shedding. The fact that it's right out of the box and I'm already experiencing this just kind of makes me feel like when you wear it out, this bad boy can get a little bit crazy, so I would not recommend wearing this one every day. That's probably going to be another con for me, the fact that it was so much work, because just like I said, girl, I went in, I sprayed the tint spray, I used concealer, I went in with mascara to try to make this look a little thicker up here so that it didn't just look super thin and then have a line. Like, I feel like this unit, I definitely had to put a good amount of work to go into it, and I feel like the final look, like, this looks pretty cute, but I feel like it could be better. So my pros on this unit, I do like the curl pattern. I feel like the curl pattern is really nice. I like the fact that you do get that 13x6 parting space, so you're able to do multiple styles. I like the density, even though it is more on the natural side. I feel like it's just enough hair, and the texture is pretty nice. Even though I am getting the tangling and shedding, the texture does feel more along the lines of higher quality hair, so I do like that. As a whole, I wouldn't pick this unit up again just because I feel like it was too much work for me to get the look that I'm going for, and my end result is not as good as I would want it to be, so I wouldn't necessarily pick this unit up again. But if you are a fan of super thin lace, like, girl, I would recommend this one. But like, if you're not trying to really put work into it and you're my skin tone, I definitely would not recommend this, girl, because this was work. But that's pretty much all I have to say about this unit. I hope this video was helpful for you guys. If it was, just make sure you give me a like, give me a subscribe, comment down below any of the units you want me to pick up and any of the colors. And until then, I hope to see you soon. Bye.